Welcome to today's educational journey on molecular hydrogen. In this short video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of the simplest and most abundant molecule in the universe. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to discuss molecular hydrogen confidently with experts. Molecular hydrogen, denoted as H2, consists of two hydrogen atoms joined by a covalent bond. This diatomic molecule is colorless, odorless, and highly flammable. As the lightest molecule, it plays a crucial role in both the cosmos and on Earth. In the universe, molecular hydrogen is a primary building block. Located in interstellar clouds, it contributes to star formation and serves as a vital component of many celestial bodies. On Earth, though much rarer, its significance is continually growing. One remarkable feature of hydrogen is its potential as a clean energy source. When combusted, hydrogen produces water as a byproduct, making it a compelling alternative to fossil fuels. This has positioned it as a cornerstone of the emerging hydrogen economy, promising reduced carbon emissions and a sustainable energy future. The production of molecular hydrogen can occur through several processes, including steam methane reforming, electrolysis of water, and biomass gasification. Each method has its own benefits and challenges, especially concerning efficiency and environmental impact. Today, efforts are focusing on green hydrogen, produced via renewable energy-powered electrolysis, minimizing its carbon footprint. Beyond energy, molecular hydrogen boasts impressive health and therapeutic properties. Research indicates its potential as an antioxidant, with beneficial effects observed in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. While studies are ongoing, this aspect of hydrogen continues to spark interest in medical fields. In summary, molecular hydrogen is more than just a simple molecule. Its vast applications, from fueling our future to enhancing our health, highlight its importance in advancing scientific and environmental progress. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of H2. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.